Hey y'all, Lauren Dolgero, aka The Solutionist, coming to ya again. You guys know that fixing and restoring your credit is not hard. Every time you hear people say fixing your credit is hard, oh my gosh, you have to write all these notices. It's not hard. The recipe is written out in the law, and the rest of it is putting alphanumeric figures on a piece of paper according to the recipe that we were all given to protect us. Fixing your credit isn't hard. It's about reading a recipe and being consistent and following a timeline and knowing what they need to comply to. So when you say, well, I don't know the recipe, of course you don't, you weren't trained to. Credit educators, credit advocates, credit specialists, this is what they know. This is what they specialize in. They have the inside knowledge because they went out and sought it. However, hi, my name is Lauren. I'm a credit educator and advocate. I teach people how to restore and to remaster their credit profiles so they can make the big purchases their family needs to grow and to create new income. So listen, fixing your credit, restoring your credit isn't hard. Be consistent, get an educator, learn the rules, learn the players, learn the stinking recipe. You wanna know what is serious? Continuing to wait to restore your credit, continuing to sit there like a sitting duck with poor credit, you're unfundable. You could open up so many avenues to yourself and your family just by fixing your credit. It is genius. So again, Lauren, make sure that you call me if you have credit and you need credit to get money. Make sure that you call so we can restore your credit profile before you apply to make sure that you're fundable and you're getting the best terms. Make sure that you like and subscribe to this video and all videos Total Solution Trust because we are bringing true credit knowledge to everybody. We're your credit educator and your credit advocate. We're here to make sure that you learn the rules of the game, who the players are, but how to win the credit game. It's not that hard, kids. It's about that recipe, consistency, and just putting the letters to the paper. I'll talk to you guys soon. Make sure that you reach out, totalsolutiontrust.com. You can catch me on Facebook, Insta, and the other 1,000 channels we have. Make sure you check out the YouTube channel content too. So, see you next time, guys.